Hey guys, this is part 4, I think. This is my son there in the tractor, and we're just getting ready to push the frame in underneath the truck here. We had to let the frame right down on the floor to get it underneath that 4x4 post. We couldn't get the jack up into there anywhere to pick it up, so I just said let's give it a push in with the tractor, and it worked pretty good. Made a couple of marks on the floor, but oh well. Not a big deal. And there he's coming in just to give it a push. And this is the frame in underneath the truck. Now I had to put the old body mounts under there for the time being. I ordered new body mounts. The old ones were pretty brittle and there wasn't much left of them, so I decided just to get some new body mounts and put under it. I figured if I've got the body off, I may as well put the new mounts under it now. But everything fit in there pretty good. At this point, I don't think I had any issues. The body mounts all lined up and everything went down fine. That's just a shot underneath the body mounts. I did weld washers. I went and got some big 2-inch washers, and I welded them on top of the body mount brackets on the frame because I did have a couple that were starting to rust. Weren't real bad, but anyway, I decided I should put some washers on there, and I welded them on and just made it much better, much stronger. The engine mounts all lined up good. Transmission mount, the cross member, I had to cut a little notch where the transmission mount hole was in order for it to line up. The front of this, now you can see here, I had to double up the front body mounts, and as far as I can tell, the front of the 2500 frame it seems to take a dip down on the front, and I don't know why. It's about an inch and a half lower on the front than the frame on the 1500. So all I did was double up those body mounts on the front, and that seemed to take care of it quite well. But yeah, I don't know if it's a GM thing or if it's just on the 2500 heavy duty frames. It might be the GM thing, because I know the GM bumpers are a little different. The Chevy bumpers go straight across and the GMs tend to go up. Or it could even be a year thing too. This frame is a 2003 frame, and the truck is a 2002, and there could be some slight differences there in the frame too. I'm not sure. But other than that, everything went together good. The steering shaft, I had to take the steering shaft off of the 2500 and put it on the 1500 because it had it wasn't long enough. That was the only thing. But at this point, everything else seems to be going together pretty good. No major bumps yet. Anyway, thanks for watching.